This episode of Big Cat Rescue is brought to you by Audible. Go to audiblepodcast.com/BigCatTV to get a free audiobook download of your choice when you sign up today.
Let's have a contest called Name That Big Cat Sound. We'll play a small clip of a vocalization made by one of our big cats and see if you can recognize what species of cat that is. You ready? Let's try it. So how'd you do? If you'd like to help Big Cat Rescue win a contest, please visit the website below.